Yes, let us we see about National Stock Exchange. My content course code GLBU 6E1 and course title Capital Market. I am a development member. I am Mrs. A. Muttumari, Assistant Professor, Department of BBA, SFR College for Women, Sivahasi. Now we see about some of the learning objective of NSE. The establishing national-wide trading facilities for all types of securities, ensuring equal access to investors all over the country through an appropriate telecommunication network, providing fair, efficient and transparent securities market using an electronic trading system and meeting international benchmark and standards. Next, we see about some of the introduction of NSE. National Stock Exchange of India Limited is the leading stock exchange in India. It was located in Mumbai and it was established in 1992, the first demutualized electronic exchange in the country. So BSE is formerly known as Bombay Stock Exchange, was established in 1875. It is an Asia's first and foremost stock exchange in world at the speed of 6 microseconds and one of the India's leading exchange groups. And in National Stock Exchange, there is trading of equity shares, bonds and government securities. So the NSE in India ranked at third position since last 4 years in terms of total number of trading per calendar year. So presently there are 24 stock exchange in India, out of which 20 have exchanges National Stock Exchange. And some of the milestones of National Stock Exchange. Then first we see about NSE incorporated in 1992 and recognized as stock exchange in SEBI in April 1993 and 1994 with the launch of the wholesale debt market. In 1994 to 2016 expanded the lines of business. 2011 commenced trading in index futures and options on global indices, namely S&P 500 and Dow Jones Industrial Average. 2012 index futures and options contract on FTSE 100 launched SME specific MH platform. Then 2013 launched a new debt segment, that is NDS. Then 2014 launched NMF2 platform for mutual funds. So NPF2 segment for interest rate futures, VIX index futures and Nifty 50. Then next one is 2016 15. So MOU with London Stock Exchange Group renamed CNX Nifty to Nifty 50. In 2016 Nifty 50 index futures trading on TAFEX trading on sovereign gold bond book building platform. In 2017 International Exchange in Gujarat, International Finance Tech City and NSE IFCS Exchange. In 2018 Post Trade Technology and Strategic Partnership Agreement with NASDAQ. So tripartite repo on corporate debt securities. In 2018 also NSE launches EG-SEC platform for retail. In 2018 gross currency derivatives contract on Europe USD, GBP USD and USD JPY. Then some of the objectives of NSE. Then first we see about the nationwide stock trading activities of equity, debt and hybrid. Then second objective is equal access to investors across the city. Then third objective, fairness, efficiency and transparency. And fifth one is shorter settlement cycle. And fifth one, international security standards. So then last but not the least, it have a efficient trading system. Then next one is some of the features of our NSE. Then first one is fully automated screen based trading system. Then it is a capital market segment, wholesale debt market segment and derivative markets. The next, no trading floor. So NSE have no trading floor. The next one is NSE have 1777 satellite dishes and 3000 computer connected. Then last but not the least, it was connected central computer terminal in Mumbai. The next feature is that is we see about order driven system in terms of price, time or size, and order confirmation slip is generated. Then trade confirmation slip is printed at trading members workstation. The next one is the identity of the trading member is not revealed others. Then next one, 8 day of trading each member get net amount position statement. Then next one is members are required to deliver securities and cash by 13th and 14th day. Then next we see about some of the feature. First one, the 15th day is the payout day, and the automated trade matching system secures the best price available in the market to the investors. The next one is trading member transact high volume of business efficiency, and Indian Index Servers and Private Limited is also involved in the NSE. And last but not the least, it have part of commodity exchange, that is NCDX. Thank you.